Hi everyone, today let's look at an actual GCSE Math exam question. It's one of the typical questions you will often see in Math. So try to see if you can solve it by yourself as we go along. In this type of exam question, you need to know the condition for the number of roots. So the question is to find the values of k for which the following equation has real roots. This is 5-mark question. To have real roots, the discriminant b squared minus 4ac must be greater than or equals to 0. From the equation, you can find that a equals to 2k minus 1, b equals to 6, and c equals to k plus 1. Now substitute into the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Then we could write d equals to 6 to the square minus 4 times by 2k minus 1 times by k plus 1. Since the roots must be real, this d should be greater than or equals to 0, which is 36 minus 4 times by 2k squared minus k plus 2k minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. Now we have to simplify the inequality to find the possible values of k. 36 minus 8k squared minus 4k plus 4 is greater than equals to 0, which is minus 8k squared minus 4k plus 4t is greater than or equals to 0. Try to check if you can solve this quadratic inequality by yourself. Now let's make the coefficient for k squared be positive by multiplying minus 1. Then we can write the inequality as 8k squared plus 4k minus 4t is less than or equals to 0. Remember to reverse the inequality sign when multiplying minus 1. Divide by 4 to simplify, then it turns into 2k squared plus k minus 10 is less than or equals to 0. After simplifying the inequality, we now need to factorize the left side to see where the values of k would be. The factorized form is this. (2k plus 5 times by k minus 2 is less than or equals to 0. Now we know that the roots from this factorized form are minus 5 over 2 or 2. Since 2k squared plus k minus 10 has the positive coefficient for x squared, the parabola opens upwards. For an upwards opening parabola, this inequality 2k plus 5 times by k minus 2 is less than or equals to 0 means that k lies between the two roots including the ending points. Therefore, the solution is in between minus 5 over 2 and 2. Typical discriminant. This is a typical discriminant question in IGCSE Math for 5 marks. Don't forget always start by the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. I will upload new math lessons every Thursday at 8 p.m. Subscribe and keep preparing for your exams with me.